Hey, good morning. I'm going to show how I get stains and rust off cast iron pieces. And I got this piece off the Axelson lathe, taper attachment slide. Let's have a look at that and I'll get right on it. Okay, here we go. All right. My little dog Chloe's outside making a ruckus. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to warm this up. Let's see if I get it warmed up without burning the house down. This is touchy. Okay. Just going to warm this up. I'm going to use acetone and automatic transmission fluid and a brass brush, and it works a lot like PB Blaster, but I think it's a little bit more potent. But if you warm the piece up, the chemical reaction happens quite a bit better. So we'll just get this warm. Don't want it too warm, but warm. Yeah. Yeah. Nice and warm. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now, make sure the fire's out. I've got some acetone here, and I'm going to put some automatic transmission fluid in it. And you will see. A little bit more. There we go. That out of there. I should move that over to this end so you can see it. It doesn't really mix, you see? But you just put it in something like that, and the object is to get this on here. And you'll see when I warmed it up, it's bubbling up, it boils. I got to turn this fan on here. Make a little bit of noise, but this stuff gases. You want to have good ventilation. Whew. Okay. Get it over here. There. I think you can see that action. This is a lot of fun. I do enjoy this. But like I say, it kind of works like PB Blaster, but I think it's a little more potent, works a little better. And it's less costly if you have a big project like that radial drill press and this old Brown & Sharp milling machine were really bad. Okay, I'm going to set that down there. And I got my brass brush, and this is a good quality brass brush. I actually got all the rust off that drill press with it. It's still going. So I'm going to dip that, roll that around in there, and start scrubbing this. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's bubbling and boiling. And it's going to get a dark colored slurry going here. You see that? You see that slurry it's got going? Ooh, it's really gassing. Now it's going to take a few times to do this, but it keeps fading those stains out. Yeah, it's just bubbling up good. I could have had that part a little warmer, but I think you'll get the idea. Get right down the center here. Yeah. A little bit of elbow grease. You don't want to ever use power tools on something like this. At least I sure would. Yeah. Let's see how that looks there. Looks pretty good. How much time we got here? Oh, I got a bit of time. Let's just keep working it a little bit here. Put a little more ATF in there. Use only the cheapest you can find auto trans fluid. It doesn't have to be anything special, that's for sure. Okay. I'm gonna take that brush again and slap some more on there. You see, it just doesn't really mix, but you just want to get it on there. Slop it all over me. Okay, we're ready to go again. Get that brush on there. Yeah, some of those stains are from that tapping fluid that they banned back in the 80s. And some stains are from acid that's in the high sulfur whey oil. Yeah. All right. Let's see how that's looking. This is the bottom, so I probably will only do this once. I'm going to take the scraper here and go across dark spots I see. Yeah, it's kind of etched in there. I think it's over here a little bit too. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Okay, I make these little scrapers, just a piece of carbide braced in. I made a fancy one. Okay, let's wipe that off and have a quick look. Get an idea of how good it did. Piled up there. Yeah. Good to have a lot of ventilation. Okay. Now that's starting to look okay. I'll probably hit it a time or two again on this side. All right. But areas like this black here, it's going to take a while for that to fade out on visible spots. And you can take a little bit of Scotch-Brite and carefully work stains down. You know, but you don't want to take emery cloth or anything. The Scotch-Brite works pretty good, but just use it lightly, you know. You don't want to sand things. Save that for your woodworking. Yeah. I don't know. Can't make it like new, but can make it pretty good. Alrighty. I'm going to go back out and do some work on those machines out there. If I find something cool, I'll let you know. Bye-bye.